In this video, I will show you how to log into Instagram without a recovery code. So, let's say you can't log into your Instagram. All you have to do is to tap on the forgot password, type in your username, email, or maybe a mobile number, and hit continue. Then try on another way. Let's say you no longer have access to your email. All you have to do is to tap on no longer have access to these, then try on another way. You just have to state your reason why you no longer have access to your Instagram account and why you can't log in. Let's say I forgot my password and can't reset it. And then if you have a picture, a video, or a selfie that you have your account or this is your account, all you have to do is to find it and then submit it. You just have to type in your email address right here. And then you'd have to submit it, and you will be able to get into your Instagram without your recovery code. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!